Alex Car Doctor. Welcome back to my channel. Today's patient I have with me is a '08 Toyota Corolla. I'm always excited to work on Corollas because guess what? I never see them in my shop. They're just like Hondas. Hondas and Toyotas run forever. Anywho, today's customer complaint is he thinks he needs a heater core. Correct, sweetie?
Yep.
So he came in, he explained to me he's feeling a lot of wetness in his floorboard on the passenger side. So let me show you that now. All right, up on the inspection of this, I noticed it was not coolant, it's actually water. Now you may ask, how's water getting in the floorboard? Doesn't have a sunroof. The only,
no sunroof?
Yep, no sunroof. The only other explanation is the AC system. AC systems produce condensation, and this worries a lot of people. When the car's sitting there, sometimes you'll see it dripping water, right? And people are like, oh, my car is leaking, freaking out. I'm like, no, it's supposed to do that. It has a special drain tube that releases condensation from the evaporator core. And that's what's going on with this. It's overflowing because the tube is stopped up and it's overflowing inside the passenger compartment. I can't tell you, this dude was like, man, I want to do a backflip because he thought I had to take down the dash and do his heater core. And
which is 6 hours. So if it was a heater core, you would have to take down the dashboard.
yes. And that's not a fun job and a job you just want to do willy-nilly. So today, guys, I'm going to bring you along me repairing this and showing you how it's supposed to work. So I'm going to go ahead and get it up in the air now and show you the drain tube that is currently stopped up, and I'm gonna have it running too to showing you there's nothing coming out the drain tube. Then I'm gonna show you how to repair it. Got her all up in the air, and the only thing I did was position my light in place because I'm kind of free-handing the camera right now. Now if you look right here where I'm pointing at, this is where the drain tube's supposed to come out at. It's like, it's not even there. There's nothing coming out. And when I look up in the hole, I can see the back side of the carpet. You're not gonna be able to see it on camera, but you know, you get the idea. So, yeah, you can kind of see it now. The back side of the carpet. So, my problem is not a stopped up drain tube. It's a falling apart drain tube. So I'm gonna let it back down, pull up the carpet, and I will show you what's going on once I get the carpet pulled up. I got my wet back. I was gonna do this part at the end. I always clean up for the customers if it was any kind of spill, like water, glass, coolant. But I'm gonna do this now since I have to work in the area and I don't wanna be working in a puddle. Alright guys, I just pulled up the carpet and let me stack my light up. Look at that. So, come on. I want y'all guys to have good lighting. This is the drain tube for the condensation. It was just like that, and look at that. That water dripping out of it. Drizzling down, getting down on the floor pan, you know, soaking up the carpet. So, all I'm gonna do is stick it back through this hole where it originally supposed to go. I don't know if somebody was playing a bad joke on this guy, or I don't know. I don't know how that happened. Normally, when I see stuff like that, blurring out. Normally when I see stuff like that, they get stopped up with like debris and trash, and I take my air hose and, you know, go from the outside where I was showing you, put my air hose up to it and blow compressed air through it. I thought that's what it's gonna be like today, but it wasn't. It was just a loose drain tube, condenser drain, not condenser, but evaporator core drain tube. So put the carpet back. I got it all dried up for me. Feels very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Pretty easy. All this stuff just snaps off. I'm not gonna bother showing you that. It's kind of self-explanatory. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this back together, and I'm gonna show you what it's supposed to look like running and, you know, dripping on the ground. the car back up in the air just because I just wanted to show you guys how it's supposed to look. So already it's starting to make a little puddle. See that? That's what it's supposed to look like. I hope you was able to see that drip, coming out the proper way. As you saw, it was already accumulating a big puddle. So imagine what it was doing inside the car with the tube just sticking inside the car. Oh man, I bet it was like a little, I guess he had a swimming pool. I wouldn't say a jacuzzi because it wasn't hot. This car also was self-diagnosed. He actually made an appointment to come in and get the heater core done. I convinced him to, hey, let me just look at it first, just to make sure. I don't want you wasting any money. I guarantee you, if this was any other shop, they would have went ahead and put a heater core in there and fixed that while they was in there, or probably not even put the heater core in. But here at Alex the Car Doctor, honesty is my best policy. Can't speak for everyone else. Don't know, don't care. But anywho, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you really like this video, make sure you hit that super thanks button and buy your favorite mechanic up there. Guys, I love you like always. See you guys on the next video.